Hello and welcome to today's video on 7 common mistakes affecting your weight loss journey. Losing weight can be a challenging process, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be accomplished successfully. However, many people make common mistakes that can hinder their weight loss progress. In this video, we will discuss 7 of the most common mistakes people make that can affect their weight loss journey. Mistake number 1. Not tracking your food intake. One of the most common mistakes people make when embarking on a weight loss journey is not tracking their food intake. It's easy to underestimate how much we eat, and tracking your food intake can help you stay on track and ensure you're eating within your calorie goals. Use a food tracking app or a food journal to keep track of everything you eat and drink. Mistake number 2. Relying too much on processed foods. Another mistake people make is relying too much on processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and they can be a major roadblock to weight loss. Instead, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Mistake number 3. Not drinking enough water. Not drinking enough water is another common mistake people make when trying to lose weight. Water can help boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and improve your digestion. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and more if you're exercising or in hot weather. Mistake number 4. Not getting enough protein. Not getting enough protein is another mistake people make when trying to lose weight. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied, and it can help prevent muscle loss during weight loss. Aim to get at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal from sources like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Mistake number 5. Not getting enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep can also be a mistake when trying to lose weight. Lack of sleep can disrupt your body's hormones, leading to an increase in appetite and a decrease in metabolism. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night to ensure your body is getting the rest it needs to function properly. Mistake number 6. Not incorporating strength training. While cardio is important for weight loss, not incorporating strength training into your routine can be a mistake. Strength training can help build and maintain muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories throughout the day. Aim to do strength training exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell exercises at least twice a week. Mistake number 7. Not having a support system. Finally, not having a support system can be a mistake when trying to lose weight. Having a support system of friends, family, or a weight loss group can help keep you motivated and accountable. It can also provide a sounding board for your weight loss journey and help you overcome any obstacles you may encounter. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. By avoiding these mistakes and focusing on a healthy, sustainable approach, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Remember to track your food intake, eat whole, nutrient-dense foods, drink enough water, get enough protein and sleep, incorporate strength training, and have a support system. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your weight loss journey.